Inspired by a vision for Mother Earth and for the universe that encompasses our lives, Inspire is an organization that is envisioned for massive changes in the society with reference to nature and environment. This includes creating awareness among people to maintain justice while dealing with nature, protecting natural resources, and more than anything maintaining a compassionate heart to serve the poor and downtrodden in the society. We believe that change has to be brought at personal level by inspiring one for changes in their very approach to the surrounding that would further bring changes in the society and in the world. With 2/3 of the earth, it's evidently clear that water is one of the prime elements responsible for life on earth. However, the world is suffering because of the great shortage of the same. Experts opine that by 2030 an estimated 2.8 billion people will live in areas plagued by water scarcity, with 2/3 of the world population living in water-stressed regions. There are two ways in which we can save our world from one of the greatest disasters that would even cause the death of the planet. The first is to encourage judicial use of water, and secondly, how can we save groundwater table effectively? Even if it is as little as a drop of it, one drop rainwater harvesting system invented by Inspire organization to encourage people across the world to save water and recharge groundwater bed. One drop rainwater harvesting system sounds like an effective solution for reducing contaminants in roof water and recharge groundwater efficiently. This multi-stage system can help reduce contaminants in roof water by incorporating filtration and treatment process. By reducing contaminants, the system can help improve the quality of water recharged into the groundwater. Using a perforated pipe in this filter can filter out solid contaminants like leaves, twigs, and other debris from roof water. Using perforated pipe as part of the pre-treatment step can help protect downstream component of the system from clogging. Biochemical foam cartridge might help remove micro-contaminants including organic matter or other biochemical components from the roof water. By using biochemical foam cartridge, the system could further improve the quality of water before recharge. Ensuring the biochemical foam is effective in removing contaminants and safe for groundwater is crucial. Customizing the filtration process with different cartridges might enhance the overall performance of the one-drop rainwater harvesting system. Activated carbon filtration can effectively reduce certain organic compound and chlorine from roof water. It can reduce the quality of lead-dissolved radon, harmless taste and odor-causing compounds. It works like a sponge absorbing contaminants from the roof water. The contaminants are attracted to the carbon surface because the force of attraction between the contaminants and the water is weaker than the attraction between the contaminants and the carbon. TDS reading can help indicate the effectiveness of the treatment process. Lower TDS values generally indicates better water quality. By monitoring TDS reading can assess the effectiveness of the treatment process in removing dissolved solids.